Looking to lose weight without skipping breakfast? Let's talk about 10 delicious, satisfying breakfast ideas that can help you burn fat and feel full, all without starving yourself. Number 1. Avocado toast with egg. The fiber from the avocado plus the protein from the egg keeps you full for hours. 3. A veggie omelette. Low carb, high protein, and packed with fiber from all those colorful veggies. 4. Overnight oats. Prep it the night before, and boom, fiber, healthy fats, and energy in a jar. Number 5. A smoothie that actually fills you up. Just add protein powder, greens, banana, and almond milk. 6. Cottage cheese with fruit. It's light, low in sugar, and high in protein, perfect for weight loss. 7. 2-ingredient banana pancakes. Just banana and egg. Tastes like a treat, but totally clean. 8. Tofu Scramble. A vegan, protein-packed breakfast that's anything but boring. 9. Chia Pudding. Prep it ahead, and wake up to a fiber and omega-rich power bowl. And finally, apple slices with nut butter. Light, fast, and the perfect combo of crunch and creaminess. Healthy doesn't have to be boring. Which one will you try first? Speech balloon, drop your favorite in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy tips.